Hi friends, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ടോപ്പിക് NCCയിലെ വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയ ഒരു ടോപ്പിക്കാണ് മാപ്പ് റീഡിംഗ്. B സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് എക്സാമിനായാലും C സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് എക്സാമിനായാലും കൂടുതൽ മാർക്ക് സ്കോർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു മേഖലയാണിത്. ആദ്യം എന്താണ് മാപ്പ് എന്ന് നോക്കാം. A map is a representation to scale of a particular area of the surface of the earth. അടുത്തത് types of maps. There are different types of maps depending on their scale and their uses. Some important maps are the following. First one, atlas maps. These are small scale maps showing whole countries, continents, oceans or even world on one sheet. Then topographical maps. These are maps with which we are concerned in map reading. Survey of India maps are all topographical maps. അടുത്തത് relief maps. These are solid maps built as an actual model of the ground. Then outline maps. These indicate general plan of the country. Example, main towns and rivers. Then rail or road maps. These are intended only for use in connection with rail or road movements. Then photo maps. These are produced by making a mosaic of strips of vertical air photographs so as to cover completely the area required to be shown. Then other maps. First one, geographical maps, then statistical maps, then chart, then last one, meteorological maps. അടുത്ത definition of scale. Scale is the proportion which the distance between the 2 points on the map bears to the distance between 2 points on the ground. Then ചില topographical forms നോക്കാം. First one, saddle. A narrow ridge of highland joining up to higher hills. Then crest, the highest part of a hill or mountain range. Then dead ground, ground which by reason of undulations or hills is not visible to the observer. Then escarpment, the steep hillside formed by a sudden drop in the general ground level, usually from a plateau. Then knoll, a small isolated hill. Last one, ridge, the line along a hill or range of hills or mountains from which water flows in opposite direction. അടുത്തത് ചില ടെക്നിക്കൽ ടേംസുകൾ നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, കോണ്ടൂർസ്. എ ലൈൻ ഡ്രോൺ ഓൺ ദി മാപ്പ് ജോയിനിങ് അപ്പ് ഓൾ പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് ഓഫ് ഈക്വൽ ഹൈറ്റ് എബോവ് സീ ലെവൽ. ദെൻ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ all the topographical information on a map. Then gradient, the slope of a hill expressed as a fraction. Then relief. Relief is a general term applied to the shape of the ground in a vertical plane. Then types of slopes. There are two types of slopes. First one, convex, other one, concave. Then cardinal points. There are 4 points. First one, north, south, east, and last one, west. Then types of north. There are 3 types of north. True north, first one, the direction of north pole from the observer. Then magnetic north, it is the point to which a magnetic needle points when freely suspended. Then last one, grid north, it is the direction to which the north-south grid lines on a map point. Then angles between the north points. First one, magnetic declination. Angle between magnetic north and true north, also known as magnetic variation. Then grid convergence. Angle between grid north and true north. Then grid magnetic angle. Angle between grid north and magnetic north. Then bearing. The clockwise angle formed by a straight line joining 2 points and the direction of north is called the bearing between the 2 points. A bearing is always measured in clockwise direction. There are 3 types of bearing. First one, grid bearing. Measured on the map from the grid north by the help of a protractor, then magnetic bearing measured from magnetic north by the compass, then true bearing calculated by finding out the relation of true north and grid north or magnetic north. Then setting of map. Map setting is the orientation of geographic north, magnetic north and grid north in same line. Methods of setting a map. There are two methods of setting a map, by compass and by objects on the ground. Then methods of finding own position on map, by resection method with the compass method, by resection method without the compass method, by last one by inspection method. Then conventional signs. Conventional signs are symbols used to represent certain artificial or natural features or objects on the map. These are the most useful conventional signs in the map reading. Do you like this video? Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Jai Hind.